students of Standard 6. We are going to learn Chapter 5, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Part 1 by Mark Twain. He has written about a small boy aged 12 to 14 years, and the boy is a vagabond boy. His name is Huckleberry Finn. His father is a real cruel man. Huckleberry calls him Pup. He was roaming around, and he went one day out with his friend Tom Sawyer, and he found a box of jewelry. He brought and shared both of them. His share he gave to Judge Thatcher to invest, and he came to Mrs. Douglas where he could stay happily. But he did not like it because Mrs. Mrs. Douglas was interested in his education. She wanted to teach him what is wrong, what is right, and what he can be good. As she was teaching, he did not like it. One day he fled from his house, and he was somewhere outside just moving around, and his pup met him. He took him, asked him some money which Huck could not give him, and father took to his cabin in the woods somewhere and locked him. He was very angry as cruel father left him in cabin and came to the city. And Tom being there, he do not know what to do, how to escape. He searched his house fully. He found some materials, meat, dry grains, that all he packed it. He also got a small knife. Through that he broke open the cabin's lock. He went to the forest, found one wild pig, brought it, and he killed and spread everywhere the blood, as that some wild animal have attacked him. And after killing, putting the blood everywhere, he threw the pig in the river. And he also took a canoe and went to the Jackson's Island. He escaped his life. And from there, he found there was a big ship with the 6 people around in that. And as he was watching, he found it was his father. And George Thatcher and some extra people were there. They were shooting in the water with cannon so that the dead body of Huck may come up. But they found nothing. And after a few hours of search, they returned back, and Huck was relaxed, and he was feeling sad that Pop is in a trouble, searching for him. But same time he was very happy. Now he was free. Total freedom he had, and he enjoyed, and he went inside the forest, explored, and got a place where he can cook, and he made fire, cooked the catfish, ate, and he relaxed there. Thank you, children.